We've got back into geometry again. This is chapter 1.6 of the Big Ideas book. And we're going to talk about complementary, supplementary, and adjacent angles. Now, your complementary angles add up to be 90 degrees. Your supplementary angles add up to be 180 degrees. And your adjacent angles are basically side by side butted up against each other. They share a common side and a common vertex, but they don't have any points that are in both angles at the same time. There's no common interior points. 20 and 70, if you add them, you're going to get 90. So these are non-adjacent complementary angles. You see the little box here that indicates that this is perpendicular. It's 90 degrees. So these are complementary. 3 and 4 create a straight line with these opposite angles, or a straight angle. So that is supplementary angles. And then 115 added to 65 is also 180 degrees. So these are supplementary angles. I think of complementary is C and supplementary S. C becomes before S in the alphabet. 90 is smaller than 180, and that might help you to remember which one goes with which number. Now the adjacent angles, as I said before, are butted up against each other. So here's an example of two that are adjacent, and these two are not. So adjacent, 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 non-adjacent, non-adjacent, non-adjacent. In this problem here, we have a 37, a 127, and then this 53-degree angle. If they ask you for complementary angles, and 37 plus 53 equals 90, then those two angles would be considered complementary, but they're not adjacent. You would name them BAC or CAB, but the A has to be in the center, and RST or TSR, S has to be in the middle. Those are your complementary angles. Your supplementary angles, you're looking for two that adds to be 180. So I see 127 and 53, and when I add those, I do get 180. So the 127 would be angle CAD. You could name him DAC as well. And RST could be named TSR, but both of those would be considered supplementary angles. There's only one set of adjacent angles in this picture, and that's BAC with CAD.